Our hands are kind of at our belly here, and we're going to balance the water below the kidney area with the fire of the heart above, okay? And so we just let our hands come up and let our hands come down. We can kind of picture if we want the water of the kidney kind of going up. Nice blue energy. Mixing and then going down. We have the fire energy going down and mixing with the kidney, kind of red energy there, you know. You can see a little, if you want to add a little visualization, you can think of like that, the steam as they're kind of meeting and cooling each other down and balancing the, you know, the heart is giving courage to the kidney is calming the heart. Your breath, you breathe in as your arms go up, down, and you can actually let your hands just really kind of be on your belly as you do this. I have a mic on, so I'm not hitting my shirt too roughly, okay? But you can actually really touch your skin as you do this, or your shirt, okay? Okay, so we're balancing this too. So you let your hands come out here, just kind of focus on your heart space here. Do this a few breaths. Just kind of, you know, bend your knees as you do this, as you're doing standing postures. You always want to bend your knees. You don't want to lock out and get faint or get dizzy. Just do this a couple breaths. You know, just kind of focus on your heart space here. One of my teachers, Suzanne Friedman, used to say, you know, the heart doesn't need love. She would say, it needs peace. Then it's free to love. So you hold that for a couple breaths. Then you breathe in, out, and you stretch your chest. You breathe in, stretch your chest. Breathe in, exhale and stretch. Gently, gently, gently. And you do this about 6 times total. These are hexagram sets. Qigong forms, they like to do 8s or sets of 9. This is like a hexagram, so they do like sets of 6 a lot in this form, or 3. Okay, or 2 sets of 3 on each side. Okay, I'll do one more. And it's okay if you don't remember what number you are. Just go until you feel good. Okay, come down.